Hey there, welcome to our YouTube video. Today we're diving into a tricky problem that involves sorting a partially messed up array of integers. The challenge at hand is to resort this array that was originally in ascending order but has had up to n2 swaps between pairs of elements, causing up to n elements to be out of place. It's quite the conundrum, isn't it? In a solution provided, we follow a straightforward approach. By iterating through the array, we can identify when an element is out of order with its immediate neighbor. We then move these pairs into a separate array, ultimately ending up with a list of elements that needs sorting. With this method, we ensure a linear time complexity of O(n), making the sorting process efficient and effective. And there you have it, a neat and tidy way to solve the problem at hand. To summarize, the key to tackling this sorting problem lies in strategically identifying misplaced elements and sorting them efficiently. By breaking down the array into separate lists, sorting the smaller list, and merging the two back together, we can achieve the desired result in linear time. So remember, when faced with a sorting challenge like this, a systematic approach can lead to a successful outcome. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.